Hello students, I hope you all are safe and healthy. Ajit Singh from Colonel Spratland Public School will teach you computer of grade 6. So this is a part 2 video for the chapter 1 computer language. So let's start with the part 2. Students, high level language programs need to be translated into machine language by the using the translator programs. There are two types of translator programs which are as follows. Interpreter. This translator program is used to convert a high level language program into a machine language. पहला इंटरप्रेटर होता है, यह हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज को मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करता है. Line by line execute the instructions and the repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. Alright students, if any errors are found, कोई भी error मिलता है, they are to be removed immediately. ये उसे तभी की तभी रिमूव कर देता है. As the converted form is not to stored anywhere, so it has generated at the same time execution. Interpreter programs are the preferred for beginners. ये beginners के लिए होता है. Are slow in execution speed. Suppose the French president is visiting India on an official tour. In order to understand each other, both the French president and the Indian prime minister would require an interpreter to translate the French language into English language and vice versa. Similarly, a computer interpreter are required to convert high-level language program to machine language programs. Compiler is a translator program used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. It translates the whole programs at once. एक ही बार में ये पूरे प्रोग्राम को कन्वर्ट कर देता है. It generates the object code for the program along with the list of errors. ये एरर की लिस्ट के साथ जनरेट करता है. The execution speed of compiler is faster as compared to an interpreter. So student, now we will discuss about 4th generation language 4GL. So 4th generation language are more similar to human languages than their previous version. 4th generation language are combination of languages with the following features: highly user friendly and independent of any operating system, very high speed of executions, designed to reduce the level of programming efforts, minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information, designed to reduce the overall time it takes development of software and the cost of software development. In 4GL, 4th generation language, the user has to be specify only the required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will be accomplished those results. So let us know more. Fortran was one of the earliest languages and was designed for scientists and engineers. COBOL was designed for business users. Now we will discuss features of all languages. First we will discuss about machine. Uses binary codes to depict operators and data. Machine dependent. The language directly understood by a computer, or the only language. Now we will discuss about assembly. Uses mnemonic codes or symbols instead of binary numbers. ये भी machine dependent है and has to be converted into machine language by the translator programs, that is called assembler. High level language. uses English words and mathematical operators. मशीन इंडिपेंडेंट, ये पहली लैंग्वेज मशीन इंडिपेंडेंट थी. हैज़ टू बी converted into machine language by the translator programs, interpreter or compilers. Now 4GL, machine independent, minimal user skill required to obtain results, application development tool. Let us know more. In software development, beta release refers to the product or technology which is still development but released only for testing and evaluation purpose. Thank you very much students to watching this video.